like shit her pants if you took her up to something like this. It'd be so funny. You have to do it with sometime.
You can just get your own 4x4 and freak her out, man.
She's like, you're not actually gonna take it up that. What the frick, Jesse? You have to think smart. I'm like,
she'd understand that how easy it is once she's
been on it, then she'll be like, oh my gosh.
It's a little warm up climb. We're gonna be doing stuff almost twice as hard as that.
Can't believe Devin freaking used the tarp to pack his. Well, it is only grease in there, so it's not like it's like freaking pressurized, like crap, you know, pressurized.
No, it'll hold. It's just not a long-term
as long as it doesn't turn.
It's a solid temporary fix, if you ask me.
Did he bring extra tarp and whatever. That'll be good. I just can't believe like the freaking week before everything, all the vehicles started shitting.
That's the way she goes.
That's the 4x4 life, man.
Yeah.
No, I don't know any 4x4s except for the ones that are like where they're like mega rich people that spend like $100,000 on their 4x4. But anyone else, man, there's always something that's kind of like the problem.
I think Devin just waited till the dust settled.
Yeah, he didn't want to do it. He wanted to see which route you did too.
But I should have waited at the top to show it. Oh, he'll see the dust cloud.
Just wait here. Let's make sure that we can see him go over.
No, he's good.
Yeah.
I think.
He'll be
Well, like, he better not have taken a left. He'd have to be crazy to do that right off the bat. Yeah, he's coming. It's a nice little warm-up trail.
Yeah. I've taken my van on this trail from down there up, but I never went down that hill. It's a good place to camp up here. Just go find a little spot.
Guys in the grass over there. I saw the target, but who knows? They might have been on this side of the road.
Dude, we might not make it.
We gotta try our best.
Yeah.
Dude, that'll take out a diff. It's too low. 21 there. Didn't touch.
Nice.
It's gonna be a lot of scouting routes. Oh yeah. Peachy.
Want me to move that log?
Nah. It's gonna be slow going.
We'll plan it out.
Yeah,
It's better to be safe than sorry.
For sure, man.
Oops, the second shell. Who the frick built that out here?
I don't know why there's random little huts, man. It's like a pot in here.
Probably towed it out here.
Put it in the first load. It's amazing how slow first load can go.
Yeah.
This is getting pretty bumpy.
Do you think we'll be able to make it to the second chalet, at least?
Oh. We just gotta take just enough lift though.
Yeah. You have a good lift for generic. Like, good all around one.
General off.
Yeah, general.
Was that thing leaking?
No, it's just making crinkling noises that were annoying.
You wanna go scout down there? Well, what does it look like?
Nice.
Tell me where to go.
Yeah, that's good. Straight, yeah.
Good?
Yeah, you're good there. Make it slow, 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 slow. Oh yeah, you did. This kind of stuff would probably stress Nathan out.
Oh yeah, I'm kind of glad he didn't come.
He's like, I only have one vehicle.
Dude, his Jeep would just beast this though. It'd be easy for him.
Yeah, he'd be able to do it pretty easy.
He's probably more capable than both their
I just don't think he's ever gone like that crazy off-roading before. He hasn't seen the potential really.
He doesn't know what can be done. Dude, you gotta move your pop bottle. Get it out of here.
Rolls his truck. This is crazy. Got different routes now. That one looks way easier, but just whatever. I feel like they're both good. If this one gets hard, push the radio down. You got the radio?
I got the radio. Thankfully, the whole trail isn't all hard.
Yeah.
smooth out in sections.
Yeah, at least it's just certain spots. It's not like there's like a whole run of like crazy
Oh yeah,
crap.
you get brakes.
Then you'd get destroyed.
I'm gonna tend to take the left because I'm looking for that one trail.
Oh, the Jeep trail?
That's what the guy called it. This is it, I think. Pretty sure this is the Jeep trail.
No, because that one connects right.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, look, it just pulls up right there. This could be something. That is insane. There's no way. There's no way. Is that the trail we have to go on?
Oh, thank God we don't have to do that.
Woo!
That was pretty well like nothing.
Yeah! We'll be okay. If I get my left wheel on it, I'm good.
Well, that tire spun because you're at full like articulation. You can't get any more. Yeah, 'cause all the weight was pushing down to your back tire.
I just need more speed probably, eh?
Yeah, take it easy though, 'cause there's a rock right there. Nice. Now you're good. Good.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh, that's a lot of angle.
Oh, Jordan. Oh, frick. Woo! You almost flipped it, dude.
I don't know, man.
Jordan, I don't know about this.
All this is really nuts. I'm impressed. By the time you get turned around, I could throw my stuff in the back of the truck, then you can drive it down sort of thing.
I'm gonna try to. You think I could fit around that one?
One of your tires is gonna hit it.
So what am I gonna do? Okay, I'm going over that one then.
You got enough clearance to just run your tire on it. Yeah, easy. It's getting caught up on that rock. There you go.
Heck of a way to be breaking in my front diff gears. Stay off the trail, okay?
Yeah.
Either stay ahead or stay off it. Oh, we're out of the hard stuff. The rest is peachy.
This is crazy.
Mill might be under the hood of your truck.
What's under the hood?
His 10 mil.
My 10 mil.
Of course, the 10 mil.
I found one of them that was on your fuse box, but I can't find the other one.
Look at that trail on the right. I mean left.
Where does that go?
That's what I'm wondering. Oh, that one's probably an even sketchier hill climb actually, I think. If I remember correctly. Dude, there's nothing but sketch up here.
I know. This is like some of the sketchiest off-road I've ever seen. The rocks are crazy.
The GoPro's gonna make it look so peachy. Actually, I can turn around right
If
here.
you can turn around here, I would do it. Like it's only gonna get harder
Yeah,
when you
I'm
have to
gonna
go
do
down.
that.
I would
I'm
not try
gonna
to go
do
down
that.
that. That's sketchy. You want help?
I'm not the first to do it either.
Do you want me to help?
I'll be okay.
Just don't want you to back into a rock.
Nice. Drive right up this. I'm turning around.
It's crazy. It's crazy out here.
Did you get too serious or you just turning around for turning around?
The what?
Did you guys just turn around because it got too serious or?
Cause that was a good place to turn around, and the hill down looks sketchy.
And plus my truck's almost dead in the water anyway.
yeah,
Yeah.
we're dying out here.
Like, if I had one brain cell left, that's what it's telling me to do.
Yeah, we're a fish in a barrel right now.
Plus, if I can get out of this without scraping
I know.
anything, I'll be so happy, honestly.
You're gonna be good, Jordan. We're just gonna take it really good going down that hard section.
I'm not confident that it will not get scraped, to be honest.
Yeah. Well, the good thing is you're going down, so you can take it really slow. You don't have to worry about
It's
momentum.
so hard for me to go slow because I'm a dirt biker,
I know,
man.
but this time you're
Unreal
gonna
how
take.
hard
You want
it
me to
is.
check this for you, Jordan? Here, let me check.